Why do some people wake up Monday ready to conquer the world while you wake up feeling like you never had a weekend? You rested. You slept in. Maybe you even took it easy all day Sunday. But Monday morning hits, and you're already exhausted. Most people blame themselves. They think they need more discipline, more coffee, more willpower. But that's not the real problem. You work hard all week. You push through the fatigue. By Friday, you're running on fumes. Saturday is recovery. Sunday, you start dreading Monday. And when Monday arrives, you feel like you're already behind. You've tried more sleep, earlier bedtimes, caffeine, energy drinks. Nothing works. And the reason nothing works is because you're treating the symptom, not the cause. Coffee doesn't give you energy. It masks the exhaustion. It borrows energy from later and pays it back with interest. The crash always comes. The real reason you can't recharge even after a full weekend of rest is cellular. Deep inside every cell are tiny structures called mitochondria. Think of them as your body's power plants. They produce 90% of your energy, every thought, every movement, every heartbeat, all powered by these microscopic energy factories. After age 30, your mitochondria start to decline. Some research suggests up to 10% every decade. When your mitochondria struggle, everything becomes harder. Waking up, staying focused, getting through the afternoon. Your body is literally producing less energy at the cellular level. And here's the important part. This process doesn't stop when you sleep. In fact, sleep is when your body should be repairing and regenerating your mitochondria. But if your cells don't have the right nutrients to support this repair process, you wake up almost as tired as when you went to bed. It's not laziness. It's not lack of willpower. Your cells are struggling to produce the energy your body needs. Scientists have spent decades studying mitochondrial health. They found 6 natural compounds that support mitochondrial repair, especially during sleep. Maqui berry, one of the most antioxidant-rich berries on Earth, helps protect your mitochondria from oxidative stress that accumulates during the day. Rhodiola rosea helps your body manage stress while supporting mental clarity. It's particularly effective for Monday morning brain fog. Theobroma cacao supports healthy blood flow to deliver nutrients to your cells while you rest. Haematococcus provides astaxanthin that crosses the blood-brain barrier. Amla supports cellular health and natural detoxification while you sleep. Schizandra helps support your body's resilience to physical and mental stress. Together, these 6 compounds support your mitochondria during the repair window. Sleep, so you wake up with actual cellular energy. Before I continue, I want to be completely transparent with you. The link in the description is an affiliate link. If you choose to try this product, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. I only share products I genuinely believe can help. The product is called mitolyn. It's designed to support mitochondrial function using all 6 natural compounds. It works with your body's natural repair cycle. Take it before bed, and these compounds support your mitochondria while you sleep. Instead of waking up Monday morning already exhausted, you wake up with actual cellular energy, not a caffeine spike, not borrowed energy, real energy from your cells. Mitolyn comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. Try it for 3 full months, 12 Monday mornings. If you don't notice a difference, you get a full refund. No questions asked. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Everyone's body is different. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medications. If you're tired of dreading Monday mornings, click the link in the description to learn more about mitolyn. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.